Today I'm going to tell you how to make this jaggery. It is so hard, no? I want to make it soft. So I'll show you a small trick. It just take a minute. Let's start. Take jaggery in a microwave safe bowl and keep it in microwave for 30 seconds. And set time for 30 seconds, and after 30 seconds you can see if it is soft. If it's not soft, you can increase for another 30 seconds and it will become soft. You can see it's very easy. Let it cool down for a while so you can use this later. After maybe another 5-6 minutes, it has become so soft, it will get dried up and you can use it in your sweets, everything. After 2 minutes, it is it is like this. It has become dried up. You can see it is dry and it's soft. You can use this in your favorite sweets. Once it is cool, you can store it in a steel container so you can use it for later use.
Hope you like this video. Please like, subscribe, comment, share. Thank you. Bye.
I love you all.